What are the odds of hitting Donald Trump with a golf ball? Welcome to Charlie's Brain. I wonder what golf ball brand hits the farthest. On today's episode, we'll be finding this out using one-way Anova tests.
Let's go get some data. Salute. Charlie, your ball.
Wow, you guys suck.
Just then, we realized that we all suck at golfing. So, we hired 5 golfers to collect the data for us. Here's the data we found for 5 golfers who hit golf ball brands A, B, and C in a randomly assigned order. The null hypothesis is that the mean distance traveled by brands A, B, and C is the same. And the alternative hypothesis is that at least one mean is not equal to the other means. The first condition for a one-way Anova test is the random condition, and the order in which each golfer hit golf ball brands A, B, and C was randomly assigned, so this condition was met. The next condition is a normal condition, which is the number of samples has to be greater than or equal to 5, and so since we had 5 golfers, then it's safe to continue. The third condition that must be met for the one-way Anova test is equal variances, which means that the largest sample standard deviation divided by the smallest sample standard deviation must be less than or equal to 2. We went ahead and calculated the standard deviations for each sample, and we found that sample 3 had the largest standard deviation with 7.94, and sample 5 had the smallest standard deviation with 4.04, so we divided that and got 1.965 approximately. So we're good. We took the results of each of the 5 golfers and put them into lists 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we used the Anova test with these 5 lists in our calculator, and the first degree of freedom was 4, the second degree of freedom was 10, and F equals 47.703, and we use F for Anova instead of T or Z, and the p-value was 1.76 times 10 to the negative 6th. Since the p-value is less than alpha equals 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. There's convincing evidence that at least one of the mean distance traveled is different than the others, but the Anova test doesn't tell us which ones are different and by how much, so further testing would be required for that, and a popular test for that is the least significant difference test, but we won't be going into that because that's not our topic.
Uh-oh, I hit Donald Trump.
Oh no, it's one of Donald Trump's goons!
Be still, my soul. The Lord is on thy side. With patience bear